Hello everybody, Tumelo here from the Worth Product Department. With me today I have this fantastic electrical toolbag set that I want to walk you through. So whether you are an electrician, a technician, or an enthusiast DIYer, this set is perfect for you. If you have a few minutes to spare, stick around, let me walk you through it and let you know what's included. First, we have these VDE screwdriver sets with 5 pieces, including both your slotted as well as your Phillips recessed heads. These are VDE certified. So what does that mean? It means that they're safe for working on electric work up to 1000 volts. Whether you're tightening or loosening screws in electric boxes, these screwdrivers will definitely keep you protected. Next, we have the cable knife with the carbon steel 1C handle. This tool is perfect for both stripping and cutting cables with precision and durability. Awesome little handy gadget. For handling your wires, this set includes 3 different pliers, as you can see. We have the VDE nose plier. These are ideal for reaching tight spaces and manipulating wires. We also have the VDE combination plier, built for multiple functions such as your gripping, cutting, and bending of wires. All of these whilst providing you with protection from shock. And when you need to cut through your tougher materials, you can rely on the VDE heavy duty side cutter. Moving on to your connectors. This set comes with crimping pliers, great for both insulated and uninsulated cable connectors. And alongside that, we have wire stripping pliers to easily remove insulation without damaging the wire itself. For your electrical measurements, this set includes a digital multimeter with true RMS 6000 counts. It's a must-have for accurately measuring voltage, current, and resistance. To finish off those projects, we have PVC insulated tape and polyester fleece adhesive tape, ideal for insulating and bundling wires or cables securely. Now, as you know, here at Worth, we pride ourselves on safety. Safety comes first. And this tool set includes essential safety glasses, firstly, to protect your eyes, soft flex Ecoline protective gloves for hand protection, and even cable ties with the plastic latch for organizing wires and cables. So now obviously the next question is, all these great products, how do we store them? Finally, with us, you can neatly pack all these amazing, fantastic products into your rugged rucksack, designed specifically for carrying your PPE and tools. It's durable, practical, and comfortable to carry on any job sites. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely making sure to grab myself one of these. Cheers.